An etymology of Martin, derivative of Mars, Roman god of war. An astrological chart set for 7 p.m. on February 26th in Sanford, Florida, where the first call was placed, shows deadly violent Mars, with Mars also squared a close conjunction of asteroid nemesis. What it's saying is that he was to die that day. A martyr, a name, a face, the one who helped spark the quote-unquote modern-day woke movement. He's the Emmett Till of today. Several factors in Trayvon Martin's astrological chart suggest an early, violent, or ambiguous death. A triple conjunction of natal Neptune, which is confusion and martyrdom, sudden, violent attack or shooting. The Trayvon Martin case is the catalyst of consciousness, because what it did is it catapulted brothers and sisters who were not even known to be conscious at the time into consciousness. It smacked the sleeper giant up out of his sleep. 2012, the year that the illusion was supposed to end, the veil was lifted up. They found more self-worth in themselves in 2012 over Trayvon than they did in 2008 with the Barack Obama presidency. Here we have Kobe and Nipsey with Trayvon Martin's family. Like, a lot of these brothers were not really known to be quote-unquote socially woke pre-2012. Jay-Z became woke off of Trayvon Martin. In his own words, the Trayvon Martin case is what launched Jay-Z into social justice warriorship. Jay-Z got $20 million from Harvey Weinstein. He was able to do the Trayvon Martin documentary. They monetized our plight. They've been doing that since the civil rights era. Shout out to Crumb TV.
Crumb TV.